Today we are attracting aligned friendships. If you are calling in aligned friendships, abundant friendships, loving friendships, I highly encourage you to do this meditation over and over and over again, reprogramming the subconscious mind and attracting what you are so worthy of receiving. In the beginning of this meditation, I will take you through some breath work, which I often do because this really pops you in to a present moment in the fastest way possible. So using your breath is a really great way to really just calm your mind, really pull you into the present moment of your breath, and really drop you into that place of being able to be present in the meditation. So that's just one of the reasons that I use breath work, but want to bring you into that awareness of why we do that at the beginning of a lot of these meditations. It's a part of the method that I use. So we're going to draw in those aligned friendships. And as you listen to the words that I say, I want you to really tap into the feeling. So how will it feel when you are in those aligned relationships, when you have those supportive friendships? How will it feel? And remember, always, the more you feel it, the more you become it, the more you create it. So the feeling is really, really important. Does it feel like love? Does it feel like freedom? Does it feel like connection, right? And in order to tap into those feelings, sometimes we need to remember what that feeling feels like. So when is there a time in your life when you've had this feeling? And sometimes it takes that memory to ignite that emotion, and then you anchor it into this experience, right? Aligned with this experience that you are creating in these friendships in this particular scenario. So as we go through this meditation, really feel it to create it. Allow yourself to use your breath, quiet your mind, tap into the present moment, and really visualize. If you can't visualize it, again, just feeling it. Before we go into this meditation, I would love if you would just pause this video and take a moment to subscribe to my channel, like or comment on my video. I would be so grateful. And go ahead and just take a moment to prepare for the meditation. So sitting up, lying down, however feels comfortable to you, just go ahead and take a moment to prepare, and we will go ahead and begin. Break free, experience transformation. Prepare to manifest connection, friendships, love. Using your breath to bring your mind, body, soul into the present moment. Following your breath to my words. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out, 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 breathe in. Breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe all the way in, hold your breath at the top, hold, squeeze everything nice and tight and hold. Exhaling the air out fully and completely and holding your breath again. Hold, relaxing into it, releasing into it. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Breathe all the way in, all the way in, and hold your breath. Hold. Squeeze everything nice and tight. Your back, your shoulders, your abs. And hold. Exhaling the air out fully and completely, and holding your breath again. Relax into it. Feel the pulsations in your body. Relax your face, relax your mind. Taking a big inhale in through your nose and out through your mouth. Returning to normal breathing, feeling so good. As you repeat these affirmations, allow yourself to really feel them, become them, visualize them. I have the most incredible friends who lift me up and love me deeply. Really breathe that in, feel that. What does that feel like? Remember, the more you feel it, the more you create it. Everyone wants to be my friend. Really breathe that in. I pour deep love and light into my friendships. Breathe it in, breathe it out, really feel it in your heart, your body. I am a super attractor for friendships that are in alignment of my highest self. Allow yourself to see those friendships. Feel them. How does it feel to have those friendships in your life? How do you feel in alignment with these beautiful friendships? What are you doing in these friendships? With every inhale and exhale, really feel it, become it, and create it. Stay here for as long as you need.